This is my Hermes adding machine from the 1960s. It says here it was distributed from the Adding Machine Service Company of Charlotte, North Carolina. And on the back it has a sticker saying Bank of America card. So I believe this was owned by Bank of America at one time. It's a model 161-8 made in Switzerland. This unit works flawlessly. It has features for adding and subtracting numbers, and when you subtract numbers it prints in red ink instead of black ink. Now I'll demonstrate how it adds. It also has an indicator that tells you how many digits you've entered in on each line. It has a subtotal button, and I can continue adding numbers to it and then total it. I don't know if you can see it, but there is red ink there where I subtracted a number. This camera's not too good close up, so you probably can't read the numbers, but it did add and subtract the numbers accurately.